So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a margin account here on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this screen, I want you to go to the top left where it says New Account or the green icon located beside Settings and press on that. Now, once you're here, you have two different options. You have I want to invest by myself or I want experts to invest for me. Go to the top and press I want to invest by myself for this demonstration. I will then press the green button that says Open Self-Directed Accounts. Once you're here, just scroll down to where it says Individual Margin Account and press on that. Then go to the bottom and press on Open Margin Account. Once you're on this screen, simply just go through all the steps this way, and then therefore you can actually have your application to open up an individual margin account. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to open up a margin account here on the Questrade application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.